Age spots, wrinkles, and looking old. I think aging is a gift, but who wants to look in the mirror and look old? But like always, let's just pop your tongue on the back of your two front teeth and kiss the breath away. And again, one more time, slowly breathe in. Tongue on the back of your two front teeth and kiss the breath away. That's right. Menopause 365, day number 77. Isn't that wonderful? But want to ask you a question. Have you noticed changes in your skin? I know the answer is yes. Maybe it's less, maybe it's drier. Maybe it's just looking different. Maybe the age spots are popping up. Sometimes you may say to yourself, well, when did that happen? Because you can go to sleep at nighttime, wake up in the morning, and there it is. You know, it's not just aging, and it's not just skin deep, because as we move through this time, this perimenopause, menopause phase, and then as aging ever after, your body produces less collagen, your hydration levels change, and your skin's ability to repair slows down. Doesn't that sound familiar? And here's what I really want you to know, is that your skin is a reflection of what's happening inside your body. This is where a science called epigenetics becomes really powerful. Epigenetics is simply this. It's how your environment, your lifestyle, and your daily habits turn your genes on or off. So your skin is not just controlled by your age, but it's influenced by what you eat, how you manage stress, your sleep, your hormones, what you put on your skin, what you put in your mouth, the supplements that you're taking, the exercise you do or don't do. You have more control than what you think. But yes, it does take effort, and yes, it needs to be consistent. Now, I've seen firsthand personally, and I've seen it not only with myself, but with a lot of other women. When you support the body properly, when you nourish the skin from the inside and the outside, so you give it both, your skin is going to respond. And this is where I'd like to share something with you. We have beautiful devices and products that actually work from the inside and the outside. You know, results speak for themselves. So I want you to just take a moment and check out some of these proof pics. I can't tell you how many clients have said to us, I just want to age gracefully and naturally. Because it isn't about covering up aging, and it certainly isn't about getting pricked and poked and cut. It's about really listening to your body and allowing your body to heal itself, because your skin glows and looks younger when you show up differently, and it connects directly to how you look and how you feel, how you see yourself, how you think other people see you. So let's reflect and practice. I want you just to pause for a moment and grab your journal. I want you to ask yourself, how do I currently feel about my skin? What do I see when I look in the mirror? Now be honest. And what am I doing daily to support it from the inside out? And what do you think one change that you could do today? And if you're confused about that, then please comment, ask me questions. Remember that awareness gives you insights, give you awareness, but it's the action steps you take that's going to give you better skin. It's the action steps you take that's going to help you look and feel better. And it's all in your control. You can change it. That's something I can absolutely promise you. So, what do you think? Every topic that I talk about is so much more than a 4 to 5 minute video that you're listening to. What I'm attempting to do is to help you identify the problem, but also see that you have it in your control to fix whatever problem is that you have. Being a whole woman, we're targeting the inner and the outer, how you think, how you feel, how you look. You know, what is your body moving through, and really helping you just really grasp hold of the idea and start thinking about the fact that your body is adapting to a new environment, and it needs some essential elements so that you can look and feel the way you want to look and feel. Remember, you're listening, you're learning, you're becoming, and your skin is your largest living organ. It is going to respond to every new habit that you put in place. Again, that's something I can promise you. So please Subscribe so that you can get these daily insights. Go to the links and check out what we have available for you. Some of it's free. Comment, what is your biggest problem about your skin? What do you see when you look in the mirror? What do you see when you look in the mirror? And thank you for sharing. Help us help more women navigate this big end with confidence, certainty, and loving the face they see looking back at them. Remember, you're worthy of all things wonderful, and I'll see you right back here tomorrow.